What's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm Zach.
I'm Caitlin.
And this is the Midnight Snack. So right now we're on our way to a car show. First ever for both of us. They're gonna have a Best in Jeep. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't, but we're gonna go and see, and we're gonna bring you guys along with. So don't click out of the video yet. We're putting up a rooftop tent in order to look cool.
We're showing.
Like us. We're gonna go check out some other vehicles here. There's a couple other Jeeps, a couple other cool cars, and let's go see what they got.
We're gonna have our best Jeep right here with the tent.
So that is it for Bradley's 2022 car show, and guess what we got? Best in Jeep.
Look at that.
Super fun. There was a ton of good cars here. Nothing but good people. Weather was a little cold, but we had a great time. And plus, we took home the Best in Jeep for the first trophy ever. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and we appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe.